Morning, how's everyone? Hope you're keeping well. We're here with a review of the US markets, the US dollar, Bitcoin, oil, and gold. What an eventful time to be forecasting events for the market and the world in general. There is so much going on, the head spinning nowadays. Things are changing on an hourly basis. So, we had the great news of the ceasefire in the early hours of yesterday morning, which was then followed up by the plans for a dialogue which was going to be happening in Islamabad tomorrow, for which the whole world is focusing on Islamabad. The media of the whole world is descending in Islamabad tomorrow. Islamabad is in total lockdown. There is heavy diplomatic presence there, heavy security presence there, and the whole atmosphere is charged with optimism. But with that, there are concerns with regards to this wobbly ceasefire holding because Israel continues to attack Lebanon. Iran says that the attacks on Lebanon have to stop for the ceasefire to hold. The United States is still issuing military threats. Iran is still holding a bit of a juggernaut on the Strait of Hormuz and is saying they will charge tariffs. The Gulf states are still quite pessimistic about the flow of ships through the Strait of Hormuz, saying it should be unconditional, while Iran is threatening to charge tariffs. So this is a wobbly ceasefire which is holding, but doesn't appear to be particularly durable, and the clock is taking its race against time before things fall apart. So the mediator, especially Pakistan and China, are trying to reinforce the ceasefire tomorrow. So let's see what happens. The markets are nervous about that as well. The relief rally has gone on hold. Futures have wobbled. Oil prices have started to creep up again. But still, some of the gains from yesterday are holding. This is the case with the markets. The story with Bitcoin is somewhat similar. The story with gold is somewhat similar. Oil is hovering around $98 a barrel. The euro is again holding at the same place as yesterday. So pretty much moving sideways. But at the same time, there is some nervousness with regards to this ceasefire. And it's important that the dialogue gets underway and we have a permanent ceasefire as soon as possible. So let's see what happens. Lots happening. We will keep you posted. Stay tuned for more.